Alright, so in my last video from last week, we did all the way up to here. Now I've done this. This is the peak out for the trailer. I got it going in here, inside the frame. Coming down inside of here, and then it comes out. I got it going in. I'm going to seal that up tonight. From there, it all comes out here. That's my power distro. The input is right here for the DC charger. The output's on the other side, as well as a 12 volt turn on. So my 12 volt turn on is right here, and I'll show you about that in a little bit. The way it's designed, what most people would use, they use this to charge while they're driving. That's not my goal. I don't plan to use this. I don't have a problem with this thing charging while I'm driving. My goal is to use my truck as a generator if I need to for maybe half an hour at night. You know, if I get 3 or 4 days without any sun from the solar panels. So I might want to turn this on, and what I'll do is I got a switch inside that I'll hit that will apply the 12 voltage here and turn it on. That's my inverter. Big battery. All right, let's go check out the inside. Anyone interested in solar panels? There they are. Got 3 of them. My solar controller's down there. And then my battery monitor's right there. And there's that switch I told you about. Just come in here, hit that, and that turns it on, and it'll charge it. Once I'm done, hit it, just like that, disconnect it from the truck.